On today's episode, I'm going to be cooking sweet and sour chicken and showing you guys how to cook it on a budget. Now, sweet and sour chicken is one of my favorite meals to order from a Chinese takeaway, but I normally end up spending about £5 a meal. This meal we're going to be cooking today is less than £10 and can feed about 3 to 4 people at one go. It's way cheaper than going for a takeaway, and you can kind of manage what goes into your food as well. So I know a lot of the restaurants use a lot of MSG and people are allergic to MSG. So I'm going to go through how to cook this meal on a budget, and then hopefully you can test it out at home too. Great, now you should know how to make sweet and sour chicken at home by yourself. You might not need to go to a Chinese takeaway anymore, but if you still prefer a Chinese takeaway, then fair enough. But now you have the option to make a cheaper version at home. Let me know how it went, leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time.